As a leader in the compact construction equipment industry, Bobcat is proud to introduce our line of light compaction equipment, and we're on a roll here today demonstrating our TR75 trench roller. There's a lot of power in this small package. Weighing in at only 3,200 pounds, the TR75 is capable of generating up to 16,860 pounds of centrifugal force. It's powered by a 3-cylinder Yanmar 20 horsepower diesel engine. The TR75 is equipped with removable drum extensions, increasing your working width from 25 to 33.5 inches. Unplug and tackle any terrain. Included standard on the TR75 is the solar remote, allowing you to run the machine while tethered or wirelessly. If you're ready to see what all the fuss is about, please stop into one of our 6 convenient locations today to check out this TR75 trench roller or anything else in our full lineup of Bobcat construction equipment. I'm Abraham with Crownstone. Thanks for watching.